Good morning, students. Today's topic is type of operating system. As we know, operating system is an interface between the user and a hardware. But in this topic, we are going to learn about the operating system using according to the user, whether it is a single user or multi-user, a single task or a multitask. So let's start the topic. So types of operating system. Single user operating system, in which a single user can operate a single system. A single user operating system is divided into two parts: single task operating system and single user multitask operating system. Single task operating system, a user can do only one task at a time, just like Android and iOS and DOS. And single user multitask operating system means a user can do a multiple task. While typing a letter, he can listen to music, or he can chat with his friends or relatives. The examples are Windows, XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, Linux, Mac operating system. In this, we can do multiple tasks, multi-programming operating system or multi-user operating system. More than one user can use the same computer at a time. Multi-programming operating systems are Linux, IBM and Unix. Time sharing operating system. Each active user is given a fair share of CPU time. If the time elapsed or an IO operation required, CPU shifts over to the next job waiting, and the previous program is put to wait or handed over to IO manager. The active programs are scheduled for execution using certain job scheduling technique. For example, Unix, BSD Unix, NOSVE, Jenny, etc. are the example. Real-time operating system has the capability to prioritize the process, minimize execution time or work independently with no interception. Examples are Linux OS, OSC, RT Linux, etc. It's a real-time operating system. Multiprocessing operating system is capable of handling more than one processor, as the jobs have to be executed on more than one processor. Example: Unix, Linux, Windows NT, etc. The next one is distributed operating system, runs on the computer located in a different geographical area, interconnected. A distributed operating system shares data and resources among its multiple servers to get maximum efficiency. Most reservation system uses distributive OS. Unix, Linux, DCX Open, the ticket reservation, the air ticket reservation is the good example of distributed operating system. The next one is commonly used operating system is Solaris, Linux, BOS, Linux. Linux operating system is a free Unix-like operating system which is suitable for use on a wide range of computer and other products. Windows operating system, the most popular operating system. It is developed by Microsoft. Solaris operating system, it is a part of Unix operating system family. It is free Unix based operating system introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1992. The next one is BOS, Bharat Operating System Solution. It is an Indian distribution of GNU Linux based on Debian. It consists of Linux operating system kernel, Office application software suite, Bhartiyo, and Internet access software, Thunderbird, Pitgrim, file sharing, converter, and multimedia applications. The desktop environment and application have been localized to enable the use of Indian language. So it is BOS, Bharat Operating System. So dear students, we came to know about different types of operating system according to the use: a single user, a multi-user, single user, single task, multi-user, multitask. and so on. My dear students, I hope you are able to understand the topic. Keep yourself safe. Have a good day. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
I don't care unless you got you, so baby I love you.